Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving east from Green Island towards Industry Cove. Entering Industry Cove. To the left, you can find the Industry Cove Manor. Entering Davis Cove. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.